Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to check your VS Code IDE version directly inside terminal, which version you are using. You can check in the terminal. Simply type here code dash dash version. So code represents VS Code, so dash dash version. So it will directly open your VS Code, and from here you can go to the help menu. Inside the menu section, so there will be this option called as help, and here select this option of about, and using this option if you select this, it will exactly tell you which version you are using here, so which is 1.100.2. so this is the version that you are using of VS Code. And if you still want to locate where VS Code is installed on your machine, so you can simply execute this command where VS Code, sorry, you write here where code. Then it will tell you the exact location of VS Code where it is installed on your system. This is a command here, where code. So here you can copy this location and simply go to that, paste this location. So this is where VS Code is default stored inside Windows. It is located in the app data folder, followed by your username, then local, then programs, and then we have this folder Microsoft VS Code. As you can see, inside this all these executables are present. So this is your executable of VS Code. So if you launch it, your VS Code will open. So, and then you can go to the menu section of help to get, and go to about and get the version of VS Code. So in this easy way you can check it. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.